Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel. This video will cover the 5 best acoustic foam panels for home studios. Quality acoustics are so important for any recording space, so let's jump right in. Coming in at number 1 is the Pro Studio Acoustic Wedge Foam. These high-quality foam wedges stand out for their premium sound absorption and ability to control mid and high-frequency reflections. The lightweight foam is easy to install and meets fire safety standards too. The runner-up is 𝗟𝗟𝗏 Studio Foam Wedges. These 2-inch thick charcoal foam wedges reduce flutter echo and provide up to 60% better sound absorption than other brands. Their mid to high frequency absorption is ideal for home studios and vocal booths. In third place is Sound Assured Acoustic Studio Foam. This budget-friendly option offers studio-grade acoustic treatment to enhance sound quality without breaking the bank. The wedge design absorbs mid-range frequencies and helps control echoes. 𝗔𝗖𝗢𝗨𝗏 Acoustic Foam Panels take the 4th spot. These 2-inch foam panels are shaped in a pyramid pattern for optimized acoustic diffusion. The 24-panel set covers up to 24 square feet, perfect for small to medium-sized studios. And rounding out the top 5 is 𝗙𝗡𝗥𝗘 Acoustic Panels. These charcoal beveled panels are made in the USA and are specially designed to treat studio spaces. Their lightweight design makes installation a breeze. So there you have it, the top 5 picks for acoustic foam panels to treat your home recording studio. Proper acoustic treatment can make all the difference in getting studio quality results. Let everyone know in the comments if there are any other favorite foam panels that should be checked out. See you in the next video.